Yo, we live. I go by the name Tragic. Some of y'all know me as Jamal. Poe Brothers, what's good? This is a challenge, baby. And I got bars, check it, hey, I got a job, but I'm feeling like fuck a 9 to 5. Hustle, rap, write, make videos, that's how I survive. Diamond in the rough, they all wondering what I'm trying to hide. Cold black exterior, you never know what I got inside. Life on the clock, so selling my soul for borrowed time. I'm getting to my goals though, it ain't a question if I'ma climb. All about my business, so if it's worth it, I'm gonna grind. Try to take what's personal from me, I say another time. Labor 40 hours a week, that's kinda standardized. They saying we get paid what we worth, they telling standard lies. Thinking all outside of the box, like what kind of man am I? Picasso with a uniform on, just like a damn disguise. Since I'm live, mesmerized, let's do a quick exercise. Getting by quick, what's the difference between getting by? Get is when you take what you need, seems like you never tried. Maybe it's extortion for green, you get it every time. Buy is when you take all the green and start getting fly. Start copping things that you want, it's like you never tried. Get is a possessive mentality, help for living life. Buy is just a means of achieving, follow until you die. Original man, overcoming the opposition. I use income to lead to better outcomes. You work for others, remember, work harder for yourself. Cause your boss only needs you until the job's done. Ill Street, I said I go by the name Tragic. You work for others, remember, work harder for yourself. Cause your boss only needs you until your job's done. Word. Shout out to everybody out there working hard, man. Whether you working a 9 to 5, a 2 to 11, or a 10 to 7. Get yours, you know what I'm saying? However you gotta get it. If you working for somebody else, man, remember, always work harder for yourself. You know what I mean? They don't got the same dreams, the same vision as you do, you know what I mean? Write down your goals and go after them. This is Ill Street. Follow me on SoundCloud, Facebook, Tragic DGC. I got work, baby. I've been in the cut, but I got work, man. Yeah. Poe Brothers was good. Markel, I see you, man. I see you. Word. We in here. Ill Street.